question, Mr. President. At home, there's a challenge of issues related to the police. The Commissioner of the Police in KwaZulu-Natal, General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, yesterday addressed the media and South Africans about the division and alleged corruption within the police service, and he made damning allegations against the hierarchy of police, including the Minister of Police. Were you aware that he was going to do that? But secondly, South Africans are saying action now, not tomorrow.
Well, I've been good in the world. On the issue of the announcement, or better still, what the Police Commissioner of KZN, General Mkhwanazi, said, I was not aware of it, that it was coming. And obviously it is a matter that I will be dealing with when I get home. I will need to look at it more closely and have a thoroughgoing discussion with a number of people, and thereafter there will be a clear way forward. This is not a matter that we should not give attention to. It is a serious matter. It has to do with the security of our people, but it also has to do with our adherence to the rule of law. The police play a critical role in enhancing the rule of law, the safety of South Africans, and that those who have done wrong should be dealt with, and should be dealt with thoroughly in terms of our Constitution and our laws. So this matter is going to be addressed.